guys, it's Thalia and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this really bright yellow eyeshadow look, and I did add a little bit of pop of green just to like give it a little nice like colorful vibes. I did mess up on the eyeliner, so I'm really sorry guys. It's been a hot minute. I haven't done any like fun creative looks. It looks like it's really nice, super easy. I love bright yellows. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Thalia and welcome to my channel guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And that is pretty much it guys, so let's just get started with the video. Off camera I did my eyebrows and I also set my eyelid with concealer and powder. I'll link all the products down below for you guys. Go ahead and do my eyeshadow, and I was thinking going more like a little pop of green, but the goal is to get a really nice bright yellow eyeshadow, and that's what I'm trying to do. So the palette I'm going to be using is the James Charles palette. This palette is really good guys. It has all the shades that I need, and the first shade I'm taking is this yellow shade right here. We're going to be taking my Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. This is the angle I'm using. First base, I'm just slightly applying it all over my crease area. Don't go too hard because at the bottom I am going to make it more bright. And I'm just taking and applying it kind of below my brow bone area. And I'm just taking it back and forth. Yeah, and then kind of like smudging it and bringing it to the inner corner. And then I'm grabbing a little bit more of the yellow shade and I'm just applying it a little bit more kind of in the middle of my crease area. Like I said, in the top I do want it to be like slightly yellow, but then kind of in the middle of my crease I do want it to be a little bit dark. So gently applying that yellow shade. So we're kind of like building up the yellow shade just to be more bright, and so the yellow shade can stand out a little bit more. Brush I'm using is the Real Technique. This one is the base shadow brush, and this is what the angle looks like. And grab a little bit more of that yellow shade and just kind of build it and make it more bright. And then the shade, I'm kind of patting it all over my lid, my crease and my lid, and then after that I'm gonna like blend everything in. I'm gonna use a different brush, and I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I'm gonna clean up the top area. Go ahead and take my Wet n Wild concealer, and this is the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm actually gonna do a cut crease. It is such an easy cut crease guys. And I'm taking this angle brush. I got these at Amazon. Concealer back of my hand, just in case I need it. Go ahead and just gonna do like a halfway cut crease. Back with the James Charles palette. I'm gonna take this white eyeshadow shade right here. Back with the yellow shade and the edge of the crease, so it won't be like a really harsh line. So I'm just blending. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye and I'll get back to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face. For primer, I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Dewy. And then basically I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. It has a really nice kind of shimmer. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation 2-in-1. Apply dots all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my sponge so it can have a little moist in it, and I'm gonna blend my foundation. Drag it down to your neck. Next, I'm going to be taking my favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is the shade Fair Beige. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And I'm going to apply it on my under eye area. And I'm going to apply it on my nose. And underneath my nose area. And in my forehead. On my chin. Blend my concealer. Hoola Quick Contour Stick, and I'm gonna apply it right here. Blend the contour. I like to use a beauty sponge because it's more easier for me to blend it. You may use a brush, but I find it more easier with the beauty sponge. I'm going to be using my Airspun Loose Face Powder. This powder is so good and it lasts me so long. I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe sponge and I'm just going to dab it in the product and kind of like apply the loose powder. And then I like to apply it like my nose area just so it can be more thinner. My nose area and my chin. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm gonna be using this angle brush and I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Give it a little extra on the forehead to be a little bronzy. Doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, or fall. I love bronzer. Bronzer is like my favorite. So just gonna blend. Gonna go in with my Becca loose powder. Remove the powder. Pixi blush. This one is Rum Rose. This one has a little bit of pink, which is like a really cute color. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back with the James Charles palette and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eye look, taking this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it in my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go back with the yellow shade and I'm just gonna lighten up the green shade. And then for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner. So I did mess up a little bit right here, but you know, of the inner corner, I'm taking this shade right here. Mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I think with this look, it will look so good with lashes, but I'm just gonna apply mascara because it might take me a while to apply them. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. Highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Strobe and Glow highlighter. I'm gonna be taking the Sunset shade. Then I'm gonna apply it in my Cupid's bow area. I'm gonna dab it like in my nose, kind of down the bridge. For lips, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie cosmetic. This is Dulce Cake. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetic Birthday Suit. For lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with my Innocence Lip Gloss Nude Candy. I go in with my Ulta setting spray just to set everything in place. So that is the final look, guys. I really love how this makeup look turned out, but I'm very disappointed because I messed up so bad on the eyeliner. I do need to order a new eyeliner. Obviously it's getting dry, so I really like how this whole look turned out. I think with the lashes it will set up the eye look, but honestly I just really like how this cut crease turned out really pretty. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And that is pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.